Alright, this is a quick demo on how to interface this 12 key keypad to, in this case, a PIC processor and send the output on a small 7-segment display. This is the sort of data sheet on the keypad. This is the back of the connector. 8 pins, one of them is not used, and the designation of the other 7 pins correspond to either row or column inputs. Basically, this is a matrix of switches. What I can do is I can drive one of these columns low by pulling a ground into each of these switches, and if I close the corresponding switch, I will read a low signal on that row line corresponding to whichever switch I press. So for example, if I drive pin 3 low, which is the first column, and I press this first button, I should get a low signal on whatever corresponds to the A row, which is, in this case, pin 1. If I press the second button here, I'll get a low signal on the B row, which is pin 2, and so on. If I don't press anything, I won't see a ground on any of these. So I've simply hooked up the pins coming out of the bottom of this keypad into the port A register in kind of the canonical way. So basically, bit 0 goes to A, bit 1 goes to B, and so on. So they're set up in the same order as the connectors on the back of the keypad. And so if I come over here and I hit a button, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and then a star is a left bracket, and a number sign is a right bracket. So the code is basically successively grounding out one of those columns, reading the 4 rows to figure out if there's a low value coming in, and if there is, it interprets where in the intersecting row and column lines that connection must have been made, and it returns that as the keypad value. So that's all there is to it. Cool. Bye.